Hi Sarasota and Bradenton. We are back over in the Lakewood Ranch house where last time you guys saw us, we were doing demo. So now we're about to walk into the beautiful space that we completely recreated, where we shifted some things around in their kitchen and really made this a lot better for entertainment purposes. So if you want to come on in and check it out. So if you kind of glance down this beautiful island that we have here, it's a great piece. Very open for entertainment. One of the main concerns that the client had with wanting to do this remodel was they wanted to add more light in because they only had a couple lights in the ceiling. It was very dark in here. So we added, of course, these three beautiful pendants, much more lights in the ceiling, really brighten everything up, as well as matching this glass backsplash tile with the rest of their colors that they have in this home. Also to bring to brighten it up in here. All right, so as you can check over here, we have extended the height of the cabinetry. We brought it all the way up to the ceiling. We added crown molding up to the top. Also, what we've added is this beautiful cabinetry that's lit up really to show off this Murano glass that this homeowner has picked up, other artifacts that they've acquired over the years of all their travels. Check out this tile. Look at all the texture in this tile. With the sun coming through here, you can really pick up that seafoam green that kind of carries out with the rest of their home. So now you see we have this beautiful island here, really set up for entertaining, where they can come and access everything that they need with these beautiful soft close drawers, soft close doors. We have this microwave that is inset into the cabinetry. I'll open that up for you so you guys get an idea of what that looks like. Really helps save on countertop space, to help clean everything up so things aren't as cluttered. Once again, with the soft closed doors, the beautiful hood set up all the way around. We've wrapped this all the way to the ceiling throughout this entire kitchen. So we take a look at this beautiful upgraded stove here. We just had a basic grade stove. Now we've upgraded it. Also, this is just great. It's gas too, which is amazing. And on top of that, it's functional and it looks great. And then if we carry on through the upgraded stove, you see we also have this upgraded refrigerator that also matches the stainless steel, really gives it that upgraded look and feel as well. And this really helps turn this into the perfect entertaining space.